Hello and welcome, dear students. This is a doubt clearing session for MRCOG 2 SB and MCQs class, which is currently running on my channel every night between 9 to 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And we have the students logging in from all across the world who take part in this discussion for the upcoming MRCOG 2 exam. There's a little bit of help that we give them, a little push for all the students. It's a free activity, so there are students who have been joining this from a really long time that we've been conducting sessions, and sooner than later I can keep getting doubts, and I feel that it's my responsibility that I clear the doubt in for everybody, so that not only you get to understand that the level of the questions, but also you understand how to read them, how to understand them in that stipulated short amount of time, and usually the answers are very close together. So how to delineate which answer is the best? Because the single best answer method is SBA, and of course EMQs are very tough, and I have already told the trick to those students who are there with me in this batch, as well as the private batches which are ongoing. Let me get this question which you can see on your screen right now. First of all, how to handle this question, and then what should be the answer. There was a little bit of doubt in this. Let me clarify that. First of all, to read this question, just see how I do that. And this is the first time I'll be reading it with you people. So a 38-year-old Asian woman referred to infertility clinic, trying to conceive for 2 years. This is the first time, all right? With her menstrual cycles every 6 weeks. That means she's getting irregular menses. Ultrasound scan showing 2 intramural fibroids, 2 large subserosal fibroids. PCOS, polycystic ovaries. Husband semen analysis, normal. Recent hypocye scan of the uterine cavity and tubes, normal. That means normal cavity and tubes are also patent. Serum progesterone level, 20. Borderline. Smokes 5 cigarettes per day, BMI 35. That means high BMI. Smoker. 1 child from previous partner. Good prognosis. Wants to discuss her current options for IVF treatment. That's one thing. Look at the next question. What would be the next course of management in her case? She wants to inquire about IVF, but the question is, what will be the next course of management in her case? Now, since she's just only been investigated, no treatment has been given to her. So laparoscopic mammectomy, no, not the first resort, because they are intramural fibroids. We still do not think that they are indenting the cavity, because the scan of the uterine cavity is fine, which has already been told to us. Clone for 6 cycles, yes, since she's a PCOS, we can consider it. Clone for 6 cycles with IUI after 3 cycles, can consider. But look at the next question, the option. Lifestyle modification and advice weight loss. That should be a first and most important next step management in her case. Last is to offer IVF, and because she's been trying since the past 2 years. Well, she's been trying for the past 2 years, but this is not unexplained infertility. There are multiple factors: smoker, high BMI, PCOS, and we need, and of course, intramural fibroid. So we have a battery of reasons for her infertility currently. We'll work on that. And if we have a time limitation, we are time bound, we'll not be taking forever, but we cannot just jump onto IVF, because this is not a case of unexplained infertility. Okay, so you got 2 hints now: how to read the question fast, still not skipping out any important detail, and second, how to understand the question, because it's saying something else, but the final question is on something else. I hope I have cleared your doubts. And if there's still furthermore, I'll be more than happy to clear it out for you guys. Remember to join the session between 9 to 10 p.m. every night, daily discussions on SBA and EMQs on my channel. I'll provide the link description in the description below. So just go and click on that link and you can join every night. But this is IST time I'm giving you, between 9 to 10.